so we don't know where our luggage is.
The problem is that we have to check in again.
So yeah, we lost our luggage.
Die ganzen Koordinaten, die da drin sind, in einem anderen Koordinatensystem geplottet angegeben sind, als das, was die auf dem Schiff haben. Das heißt, unter Umständen muss das noch umgerechnet werden.
We're trying to connect the electricity. And there are different networks in Norway and in Europe, and that is a problem, but I think they can solve it.
When the Cora came up, it was empty.
The lid of the Cora has a seal. Let's see the working bit. Now we are building a new seal with our makeshift technology here.
So yeah, it can get worse. It's snowing.
Our working days were already stretched to an absolute max. And I mean, we could all feel that after a few days of working on such long hours, we were all worn down. We have to head back to Tromsø due to the medical emergency. If the sailor goes off board, he's the chief fireman, we're not allowed to sail back out.